So let's make some chicken teriyaki wings. Guys, I'm going to introduce the limited edition sauce, so stay till the end. Take the chicken wings and bruise them a little bit so that all the juices are inside. Put it onto a bowl, add some salt, some red chili powder and some garlic paste. Add some oil so it's well marinated. Keep it aside and now take a pan, add some oil to it and put your marinated chicken. Let the chicken sizzle for about 1 to 2 minutes and let it cook. Now add some water and now cover it so that the steam can really make the chicken juicy. Put it aside. Now it's the magic time. It's the limited edition teriyaki sauce, guys, that we've just launched, and only 900 pieces are available. So go try it out now. This is what will make the chicken wings super.